The cards game concept is a concept where players are able to select different statements about their leadership style, as an example, and build a customized profile based on those statements. After finishing playing through the cards exercise, they can then start swapping cards with each other. Here's an example of a cards game that is using Daniel Goleman's 6 leadership styles. I'm going to click See Details and try it. So first, there's a bit of an introduction. You're told exactly what you need to do to complete this exercise. Once we read through this, we can click Next. And now we get a list of statements here. So if I agree with this statement about myself, I sometimes challenge status quo and disregard the bureaucracy. I can then click the thumbs up. That's me. So now I have 1 out of my 12 cards. I create personal development goals for my subordinates is the next statement. And let's assume I'm not particularly fond of this statement. I don't think that suits my leadership style. I then click the next button, and now I can select from a different card. I focus on creating a feeling of security for my subordinates. Let's assume this is right, and I just hit the thumbs up again. And that's how the game works. So you fill out your 12 cards. Once you're done with that, if you're playing in a session, you can start swapping cards with others. So if I selected a card that suits me, but I actually think it suits one of my colleagues even more, then we can start swapping after the game has ended. If we just select all of our 12 cards here, we then get to the final stage of the game where we can finish the selection. I can rate the game. And now I get an overview of the different leadership styles that I selected, just like with a regular XE game.